One way we diagnose in traditional Chinese medicine is through looking at the patient's tongue. Today we're going to check out Billie Eilish as an example. Now, the first thing I notice when looking at her tongue are the deep demarcations on the sides of her tongue, which are very pronounced and pale. This is a sign of liver yin and blood deficiency, which can show up as dry red eyes, scanty periods, muscle spasms, irritability, insomnia, and constipation. Looking at this second picture, I notice a distinguished red tip, which correlates to the areas of the heart and pericardium. This can manifest outwardly as mental emotional problems such as anxiety, disturbed thoughts and dreams, and again with insomnia and agitation. Interestingly enough, the paired channel with the liver is the pericardium channel, which is also tied with the heart. The pericardium channel terminates at pericardium 9, which is at the end of the middle finger. Now, if Billie were my patient, I'd recommend she take some much-needed time off, away from the pressures of stardom, get regular massages, maybe go break some plates in a safe area, and do some much-needed screaming in her car. I'd also send her home with a customized traditional Chinese medicine formula that will help her to release these pent-up emotions and nourish her blood and yin, as well as to help her get some deep rest.